If spring is the season that wakes me alive, if fall is the season to contemplate life.
Good morning, guys. It is our second day and a half in Paris, and today we are going to be taking it easy. Last night was phenomenal, but we went to bed way too late, and so we had a late start as well, which is fine because we definitely needed to sleep in at least just a bit. It is European Heritage Weekend over in, I guess, Europe or in France, and so all throughout Paris there are going to be like museums that are going to be free and places that are open to the public that you wouldn't usually have access to. So we're hoping that we're going to be able to maybe get into a few of those places. Outside of that, today's goal is to just like have a nice day, enjoy our surroundings, and my main goal is to get my hands on a croissant, which is so crazy because I've been here at least a full day already and I still haven't eaten one. So I definitely need to get my hands on one of those, and I'll feel like I'll really have accomplished something. So here's what I'm wearing today: this corset tapestry top, which I made myself, some light wash jeans, and my Telfar bag. And I'm gonna be wearing some white sneakers with this. So that's the look. Was Joe Jonas in that movie too?
Yes, he was her love interest.
Oh my gosh, we're talking about Camp Rock, guys.
He looked cute though, but I was like, I didn't know he was American. I thought he was like Spanish.
You thought he was Spanish in that movie?
Yes.
Girl.
He still looks Spanish, but his family's half Italian, so.
That is true.
I like how I'm jumping
Italian?
so many different nationalities right now. Like,
he definitely is Italian, but I remember watching that movie and just thinking like, they've got to be together.
ew, why? He did
so
nothing. All he did was look cute and be like, I'm a celebrity and I'm gonna support you in your dream, but I don't know your dream because you're hiding in the kitchen and you're trying not to tell anybody. It was messy.
I don't know.
All the Disney movies are messy, but we love them.
The Disney movies still, like, they just bring a certain level of joy to my heart, and Camp Rock is no exception.
As an adult, I'm just like, why do you make such a drama about the smallest things? Comme t'es déjà dans le camp, girl, chante.
I mean,
well, actually, they might have.
well, they might have kicked her out because she was there to do a job. She
but
wasn't there
if she
to
had
sing.
sing her heart out the first time, they would have kept her because she sang so good. They're like, no, maybe we can sign her. You know what I mean? But she did at the end, so I'm like, well, now the camp is over.
Well, it is what it is. Oh wow, c'est beau, hein? Guys, leave it to me that even while we're away, I would find my way to the plants. So, like I said, today is a special day in Europe, so a lot of places that you usually couldn't go are open, and so we found this really beautiful greenhouse dans le Jardin de Luxembourg. So that's where we're visiting. Brunch has been had, and now we're on our way to the museum. At this point, I think, oh, and Noada's still smelling her perfume card because we stopped by this parfumerie, and there's this perfume that she's been trying to find in Montreal for the longest time. It's supposed to smell like a banana,
Which it does.
which it does, but it kind of smells like those banana candies that you get like in those machines that you put a quarter in. But anyways, regardless, we're on our way to the museum. Hopefully we have the opportunity to go to more than one museum for the day, maybe two, hopefully, we'll see. But even if we would just go to one, it'll be an accomplished day in my books. But it's very, very sunny now, and I'm feeling like this is the weather I've been hoping for. It's not quite as warm, but
It's sunny.
it's sunny. We'll take sunny. Musée d'Orsay thoughts. So, a very beautiful museum, a very great selection of work. They even had a few modern pieces in there, but I will definitely say it's very, very crowded. But I assume that most museums in Paris are going to be crowded. But overall, it was a great experience, and I find that like you get to see a lot of things, and you don't necessarily have to do the queue for that long. Actually, we didn't even have to wait in line at all. So, for those reasons alone, if you had to pick a museum to go see, if you only had to see one, I think that this one would be actually very worthwhile. But if you wanted to see anything more contemporary, this is definitely not the museum for you. I would definitely point you elsewhere. But overall, I'd say it was a good experience. So we are at the Louvre now. We're not actually going inside, but many years ago, Noadza and I came to Paris when we were like 16 years old or like 15 years old, and we took a photo at the Louvre. So we're gonna try to like get another photo here, just to like, you know,
Bring back some memories.
bring back some memories.
Moi, c'est pas la c'est pas moi qui me fait peur,
C'est ça. It's sure better. Okay.
You have to send me the videos of the food special. Get it. It tastes kind of like a little bit fishy, but also a little bit like a mushroom. And then also it kind of has like a little bit of a rubbery texture, but like not like very rubbery, just like a soft rubber.
Good morning, guys. On what seems to be our last day in the Airbnb. And what I mean by seems to be, it's because we didn't expect it to be this way. So we woke up to a knock on our door, and it turns out that we like totally messed up our reservation. And so we had like 30 minutes to get our stuff together. Noaza is literally putting her stuff together right now. We have a few more things to do, but within the next 10 minutes, the cleaning lady's showing up, and they got another reservation. So we gotta get this thing together. So I'm not even gonna speak that much more about this until we get to our hotel, because we're gonna have to check into a hotel for one night. But that's the current situation. Anyways, I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. Child, we have never packed so quickly in our entire lives. That was an experience.
Now we know we can do it.
If we ever need 20 minutes to get dressed, we have the skill set. We do. That was insane. Okay, well, we're on our way to a hotel room that we booked, or that we're trying to book.
M Hotel.
Yeah. So we're gonna see what they say to us. Hopefully they'll keep our stuff. And I guess whatever plans that we had yesterday, because yesterday we for tomorrow we had planned that we were gonna put our stuff in a locker. But since like the checkout time will probably like allow us to like leave our stuff at the hotel, since it's near the it's near the train station that we're taking.
Yeah, 10-minute walk.
So, wow, y'all, I'm out of breath. I gotta go. We made it to the hotel room, and it's this like tiny little pod. It smells very clean, very fresh. Like, you know, these sheets were washed, yeah, it'll do the trick for the night. So, what's the washroom look like? Okay, it's just like a little shower pod. This will do the trick, y'all. And the great thing about this place is that it's right next to our train that we're taking tomorrow. So like, we won't have to check in our luggage anywhere, and we'll just be able to go right into the train station. So, oh. After a very hectic morning, we have arrived to Place Concorde, I think. Something like that. What? Anyways, we're going to a museum called L'Orangerie, je crois, and that's about that. Now we're on the way to find me a croissant that I've been craving since I landed here. So, yes. Guys, we just got off the subway station, but the stairs we just took.
Stairs of death.
Were insane. So if ever you are at, what's the name of the station? Abbesse?
Abbesse.
Take the elevator. Trying to figure out how to use these scooters, and the struggle is really real. I myself can't even get myself an I shouldn't laugh, but this is pretty funny to me. You're gonna figure it out, Nadia, and once you do, let me know. Y'all, we're taking a little scooter situation, and it's real fun, but y'all, I just almost broke my face doing this, and like, people are just whizzing by us, like, but anyways, anything but walking at this point in time.
Oh yes.
All this to say, we're headed to the Eiffel Tower, and now I really feel like I'm a local.
And as we are local.
We are local.
We've taken the metro.
We've taken the metro. Exactly. We've taken the scooters. Like, at this point, this is us.
This is us.
This
is Paris. This is the French lifestyle.
We survived the scooter ride, y'all. We survived the scooter ride, and we're just gonna walk over to the Eiffel Tower, see that thing glitter for like a bit, and then we're gonna take our butts home and sleep in our hotel room that we didn't expect to be staying at. But yeah, that's gonna be our evening. I'm just gonna insert some B-roll of this glittering Eiffel Tower, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. Morning. It is our last morning in Paris, and then we're gonna be headed out to Annecy, and yeah, so we're just gonna spend a couple hours in a neighborhood called Montmartre. We're gonna have breakfast, we're gonna go through the shops, and that should be that. It'll be a fun little way to spend. Girl,
sorry, I'm like, I didn't see that transition.
She's going through my Instagram and she hasn't been through my Instagram in a really long time, so she's very confused about the transition.
I'm loving the new transition.
Well, I'm glad that you like it. I'm really glad that you like it. But anyways, we're gonna spend the afternoon just roaming around, going through the shops, eating some good food, and then we're gonna head over to our hotel, pick up our bags, and then it's Annecy for us. Yay. Nadia avec sa crêpe de déjeuner et moi avec ma crêpe au caramel.